Very disappointing. Oh, good, keep busy then. Well, how about we come over tomorrow morning? It'll have to be quite early because I've got to drop my car off at 11. So, it'll be 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock early for you? Oh, you want to know the date? No worries at all. Yeah, yeah, no worries. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah, right, yeah. All right, no worries. Have fun, man. Yeah, yeah. We've got to be. No worries. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.